Challenging measurement surfaces? No problem. The OD200 laser distance sensor delivers precise results on any material with just the push of a button. Compact, powerful, and feature-rich, it's the silent problem solver behind your most demanding distance measurement tasks. With preset parameterization, the OD200 is ready to perform straight out of the box, seamlessly integrating as a standalone sensor with analog, digital, and I/O link connectivity. Its compact design fits effortlessly into tight spaces and existing systems, delivering reliable detection even in high-speed processes. The OD200 adapts to a wide range of surfaces and shapes, maintaining accuracy under demanding conditions, making it the ideal choice for quality control of complex components. And with a measuring frequency of 3 kHz, it captures even the smallest parts at high speeds, boosting your productivity with every cycle. The OD200 ensures high throughput with ease, and thanks to its cost efficiency, it's the smart solution for your automation needs.